How to fix Outlook send receive error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Outlook send receive error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Outlook and click on it, and then click this one for stop, and go to storage clear cache. Now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to storage clear data, click OK. After that you will need to log into your accounts again, but your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and check if there's an update for Outlook, and if you can't find it, click on install and then install it again. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.